Welcome to Bioinformatics.Expert. In this video, I want to show you how you can create box plots with the Bioinformatic Tools online web program. With box plots, you can easily visualize the range of the values in a data set. Similar to the heat map program, which I showed in an earlier video, a tab-delimited text file is necessary as input. For this video, I created this example text file. As you see, it contains 20 samples and each sample has 10 features which are in the range between 0 and 1. You can access the Boxplot tool by clicking on Analysis, then select Tools to visualize data and then click on Boxplot. Now select a text file. As I said earlier, it should be a tab-delimited text file and the first row should contain the sample names. The box plots will be created for each column. Before we start the analysis, we have to select several parameters in the parameter table. The first thing we have to select is if the data file contains an ID in the first column. This is important because, as I said, the box plots will be created for each column, and if one of these columns contains ID strings, then the algorithm will fail. Next, we can define what should be written on the Y label. We can change this value here to any other string, for example, intensities. We also have to define if the orientation of the X label should be horizontally or vertically. If your data file contains several samples, then a vertical orientation is better because otherwise the labels will overlap in the output plot. Then we can define the width and the height of the plot in pixel. We can also define the plot magnification, then also the axis annotation magnification and the label annotation magnification. Finally, we can define the magnification of the box width. If we, for example, increase this value here, then the boxes will be larger and will be more close together in the output plot. Now we can start the analysis and wait for the custom R script to create the box plots. The box plots are created as PDF, TIFF and PNG file. They are created as 300 dpi figures, which means they have a high resolution, and this also means that you can easily use them for your publications. When we open the figure, we see the box plots of the 20 samples. As I explained in the videos of the other visualization tools, you can change the appearance of the plot by changing the parameters, for example, the width and the height parameter or the magnification parameters. Alright, thank you for watching this video about box plots and how you can create them with the Bioinformatic Tools online program. If you want to use this program in your research or if you want to test it, then visit my webpage and write me an email.